This is an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Class 5, EVS 1, topic, The First Battle for Independence. Children, in this chapter will study about the formation of the Indian National Congress. One of the first steps towards the freedom struggle was the formation of the first political party in 1885 called the Indian National Congress. Prominent thinkers and social reformers like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji and Lala Lajpat Rai were the part of the INC. It brought together Indians from all walks of society. Okay. Now, A.O. Hume was the one who initiated to start this political party, the Indian National Congress. The main objective of forming the Indian National Congress was to voice the opinion of the Indians. The first session was held in 28 December 1985. W.C. Banerjee was the first president of the Indian National Congress. The party divided itself into 1907 into extremists and the moderates. The extremist faction was led by Bal Gangadhar Tilak, was known as Garamdal. Other members were Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandrapal. The other faction was the moderate faction of INC. Now, children, let us study about the Swadeshi movement and partition of Bengal. The partition of Bengal was done by Lord Curzon. Before that, we need to know why the partition of Bengal happened. The British were suspicious of political activities in Bengal during the British rule. Bengal had become the center of the revolutionary activities and mass struggle against the British rule started. The INC changed the movement into mass movement by Surendranath Banerjee and Sir Henry Cotton during the division of Bengal. Then Viceroy of Bengal from 1899 to 1905, Lord Curzon announced the partition of Bengal. It was decided to divide the Bengal into largely Muslim East Bengal, now Bangladesh, and predominantly Hindu West Bengal on the policy of divide and rule. To Indians, he gave the reason that Bengal was needed to divide it for administrative reasons. It was announced that the province was too large to be administered under the governor. So you can see it was divided into two. But the real reason was political issues. East Bengal was dominated by Muslims and West Bengal was dominated by Hindus. This caused widespread protest. With this partition, the British wanted to divide Indians politically as well as religiously. Finally, the partition took place on 16th October 1905. But the Indians termed this partition as the policy of divide and rule, and the decision was widely opposed. There began massive protest all around. This led to the Swadeshi movement from 1905 to 1911. This was initiated by Gandhiji. Thousands of Indians came together to stand against the partition. Indians organized hundreds of meetings. This Swadeshi movement brought employment opportunities by encouraging villages industries to increase production of Swadeshi goods. Western clothes were thrown onto bonfires. The movements also involved boycotting British products. Fines were inflicted on anyone found using foreign sugar. Foreign cigarettes were brought and burnt in the streets. It was adopted to overthrow the British Empire from powers and to improve the economic condition of India. Gandhiji's aim was to build a non-violent society since he strongly believed in it. The four leading newspapers of Calcutta, the Bengali Amrit Bazar Patrikas, people resolved to use Swadeshi things. On a much larger scale, the movement saw the growth of domestic industries. The British, on the other hand, tried to suppress it. Circulars were issued prohibiting the students under threat to serve penalty to associate themselves in any way with the boycott movement. The steel plant was set up by Jamshedji Tata. Even the city of cry of Vande Mataram in throats and other public places were declared to be punishable. The regulation lathis were freely used by the police to drive away the picketers and to disperse crowds. In course, the British government was forced to. The Swadeshi movement was significant in the freedom struggle because it empowered the people of India. Due to widespread protest against the partition of Bengal, the eastern and the western parts of Bengal were reunited in 1911.